I fell down here when I escaped Huggy Wuggy. So, yeah. Wait, ladder. Wait, there's fire. Wait, let me go in. I have to go in the vents. It's October 30th, 2003. The entities have escaped. There is nothing we can do. We have to stop the apocalypse before it spreads. Okay, that's a bit concerning. There's a picture here. How do I know where? Oops. Do they both have a code? Okay. Let's talk then. Okay. They escaped? Something escaped? He's saying? It's a plushie of that Huggy Wuggy. Wait, it's alive. It's saying hi. It's saying that it's the same Huggy Wuggy that was attacking me. But now I'm asking it, why did you attack me, Huggy Wuggy? Now he's saying he couldn't control his body. Oh. Now he's saying I need him to survive. Okay. He can defend me, he's saying. Okay. This is a weird maze. He's saying, well, duh. Mazes are complicated. Okay, no need to be all harsh, Huggy Wuggy. Let's look in this way. Okay. Now I can see. Wait, the obby. Okay, I'm back here. What does this do? Oh, it makes me faster. Let's try out the code. Let's see. I'm a bit scared to stay in here. I'm scared that something might pop out of me. Definitely not going in there. But where can it possibly go? But it closed. I might have to enter. Okay, nothing's here. I'm scared. This place seems to be nightmare fuel to me because I get the feeling that something is gonna come out and take me away. I have to close it for now. Wait, this doesn't open. There's a copy of him. Wait, that thing is just a statue. But its arm is sticking through the wall. What in the world? I keep on hearing something. That looks like a zombie hand. That scared me. I still hear it. Okay, now it's completely silent. I think something's behind this. But I think I have to go through it. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. Wait, no. I have to... Oh, close it. Okay. I'm scared that something will pop out of me. Because last time I came over here, there was a sound behind the store. Which means something is there, singing. And it sounds like it was evil. But I think it knows I'm here. I'll take the risk. Nothing's here. Ah! Good. It's so... Ah! It's right on my tail. Wait, I don't even have a tail. It's fast. It even damaged me. I cannot open that. It's definitely gonna attack me. Just get away from me, you literal doughy. That's literally doughy. Just don't hurt me, doughy. I do not want any trouble here, doughy. I don't want any trouble here. This doesn't do anything. Ah! I have. Wait. I have to let it get close to me for a second. Okay. Okay. Wait. Wait. It doesn't bump into things. Just get away from me, Joey. He's not singing or anything. That's good because the song is absolutely creepy. Bro, he's acting like an AI. Or maybe he is an AI. Just stop it. Joey, run inside. Huggy Wuggy saying. Okay. But which one? The one you're next. The one he came out of. I'm safe. Now Huggy Wuggy's saying that I have to go. This is the elevator and it should go down. Bro! Stop singing! You're not acting friendly, Joey. Just stop. Okay, don't stop. Okay, that worked. That worked. He was doing the opposite of what I was saying. That makes sense. He's acting like an opposite. He's acting like there's an opposite day and it's a day when there is no opposite day. Now Huggy Wuggy saying he'll call the elevator to go down. Okay. I think it's going down. I escaped.